Hello everyone. We all know that Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Usually people around the world celebrate this day very enthusiastically by organizing seminars, webinars, conferences, even planting tree and awareing the students. But I think Environment Day should not be celebrated only once in a year. It should be a part of our lifestyle. We should think about to utilize resources sustainably, and we should motivate and promote others to clean environment and to plant tree for the ecosystem restoration. As the theme of the Environment Day this year is ecosystem restoration, and you know very well ecosystem can be as small as water drop or it can be as big as the ocean. So students of botany in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University prepared for this day by creating best from the waste. They converted plastic waste into beautiful containers and planted or potted some plants in them. In this way, they created small ecosystem and they take responsibility to take care of these pots rest of the year. In this way, students become sensitive to create life, to create ecosystem and stabilize or restore ecosystem around us. So let's watch how students enthusiastically participated in this event organized by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University Mandi Botany Department.
So good evening everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the plant which have been grown. So this plant is known as a whale or Vilva patra. Its botanical name is Aglae marmelos and it belongs to the family Rutaceae. It is commonly known as a Bengal cunice, or as well as it is also known as a stony apple, woody apple. The Vilvatra tree is native to India. I have been cultivated this plant by using the disposable cup, as you seen in this pot, by making the disposable cup very attractive way. So its common uses are that its fruits, its leaves, its roots of this plant are being used in the form of a powder or in the form of a juice for the decoction of various diseases like diarrhea, jaundice, as well as fever or ear itches and other vomiting, obesity and other rejuvenate diarrhea also. If we want to treat the diarrhea, then we have to take the tender fruit with the honey or buttermilk to treat the diarrhea. In case of a jaundice, in taking of a Vilva leaves with the Piper longum or a Gingiva officinarum, we can treat the jaundice also. Whale is loaded with a various nutrients, so it is used for potassium as well as with the calcium and iron. So it is used for treatment of a tuberculosis also. It is used for treating the diabetes because its leaves are used to check the sugar level by producing the insulin. It acts as a blood purification due to it is used for various skin problems, and it is good for the heart as well as for a liver. It is not only medicinally but it is religiously important because it is used by the people because its leaves are considered the three eyes of Lord Shiva due to its trifoliate leaf, and it is give them a pleasant smell, pleasant nature. During summer, people consume its juice, and it is good for constipation and acidity. That's all about this plant. Thank you.
Warm welcome to all. My name is Monica Thakur and today I am here to present my medicinal plant, that is Centella asiatica. Its common name is Gotu kola and its local name is mint curry. It belongs to the family Apiaceae. It is an evergreen perennial herb. If I talk about its medicinal property, it is used to heal wounds. It is used to cure stomach related problems, and it is used to cure asthma, bronchitis and fever, etc. It is also used to prevent hair loss and to prevent nervous disorder like epilepsy and paralysis, etc. It also reduces stress and anxiety, and it is also used to improve memory. It boosts blood circulation and improve regulation of the sugar in the blood, and it is also used to get relief from the joint pain as it have anti-inflammatory properties. It is also used in the skin treatments, and it also have a great immunity boosting properties. So you all can eat 2 to 3 leaves of the Centella asiatica to get better immune system, as it is very important in this pandemic time. So that's all about its medicinal property. If I talk about its side effects, so there is nearly no side effect or very less side effects, that is mild itching or swelling in throat and tongue. That's all about the plant. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Sharma and I'm going to show a medicinal plant named as Ajuga bracteosa.
And I have planted it in a pot which I have made from waste plastic bottle, and I've shown some creativity with the message. As you can see, I've drawn a face of a kitten and depicting that the kitten, that is an animal, and the plant together, the whole wildlife is asking us humans to be their friends so that we can never harm them. So in this way, I tried to create best from waste.
So now we talk about the medicinal properties of this plant. So Ajuga bracteosa is having hypoglycemic activity, that is the remedy for diabetes and weight loss. The high level of chromium present in this plant helps in the metabolism of proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Significantly, it enhances the efficiency of insulin and regulates the blood sugar level. Along with that, alkaloids present in Ajuga bracteosa like vithafirin A, they are having cytotoxic activity, which proves that it is also having anti-cancerous properties. Various extracts of leaves and roots of this plant is having antibacterial activities, and it has been reported that this plant shows activities against some bacterial strains. This plant also cures fever, swollen wounds and diseases of bladder. The plants of this genus are also helpful in curing many menstrual diseases. So that was all about this plant. So thank you and love plants.
My name is Ashani Sharma. I have grown this plant, commonly known as sweet leaf, sugar leaf or candy leaf. Its botanical name is Stevia rebaudiana. It is a good substitute for sugar. It is about 200 to 300 times more sweeter than table sugar. That is why it is very beneficial for the patients who are suffering from diabetes. Other health benefits of this plant include it lowers the blood pressure and it regulates the heartbeat. It also reduces the risk of cavities. It also helps in treating the high uric acid levels in the blood. As it contains no calories and carbohydrates, it also helps in reducing weight. You can use leaves of this plant in dried or fresh form for sweetening of beverages like tea, coffee, or sweetening of puddings, candies, desserts, etc. I have used an empty paint container as a waste material. Then I have decorated it with the glaze paper and pista peels and painted it with acrylic paints. Thank you.
Everyone, I have planted Ocimum basilicum, which is a medicinal plant. The plant is commonly known as great basil or sweet basil, and the plant is locally known as bhavri. This is a culinary herb which is used in cuisines worldwide. The plant is native to tropical regions and the leaves have pungent and strong smell. They somewhat smell like anise, which are fennel seeds. The plant is of great medicinal use. It is a traditionally used medicinal plant which has been used from ancient times. The plant is very much efficient for the treatment of cough, cold, headaches. The plant is used against digestive malfunctions like diarrhea, constipation, etc. The plant is very much effective for the treatment of kidney malfunctions, and the plant consists of a very important extract, that is methanoic extract, which makes it chemopreventive to humans. The plant is very much important for the cuisines of Italian and Asian. So it serves as a very main ingredient for a as a flavoring agent in different cuisines. I have planted this in a plastic bottle, and I have cut it from the middle, and after that I painted it with fabric colors, and I drew some polka dots on it to make it more creative and to give it a cute look. So this was all about my plant. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi. I am a student of MSc Botany at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University, Mandi. On the occasion of World Environment Day 2021, I have planted a cutting of Vitex nigando plant. I have used a waste material for growing it, that is a plastic bottle of cold drink, and then I paint it and decorate it, and that's how I prepared a best from the waste. And if I talk about this plant, then the common name of this plant is Chinese chest tree, or you can say horseshoe vitex. In botanical name is Vitex nigando. In local language, this plant is known as bana. And if I talk about this plant, then there is a very famous saying about this plant: "Jithi bana basuti bare, tithi manu kiya mare." Means where these three plants, that is bana, basuti, and bare, grows in abundance, there anyone can die hardly due to any disease. And if I talk about this medicinal uses of this plant, then due to presence of some chemicals, that is monoterpenes, casticins, agnosides, and some other chemicals, this plant is having a great medicinal value and used to cure almost every disease. The diseases includes toothaches and gum irritations, heavy menstrual discharge, piles, wounds, infections, skin diseases, and many more. That is a very common disease, that is piles, and it is used against fever, cough and cold, etc., and many stomach problems also. In Ayurveda, this plant is also having a great importance. It is used to prepare many products in Ayurveda. The Food and Drug Administration of Philippines has also approved many clinical trials for this plant as a supplement for COVID-19 patients. If I talk about myself, then I also use this plant for mouth ulcers, and also to make decoction of leaves to boost my immunity during this time of pandemic. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritisha Bharti. The medicinal plant I have planted is turmeric. So I have grown this plant in a waste plastic container. Its botanical name is Curcuma longa and its local name is haldi. Talking about its medicinal uses, turmeric leaves are edible and they have an antiseptic properties, but most widely used part is rhizome. So this is rhizome. It contains main active ingredient called curcumin, which exhibits powerful anti-inflammatory properties and is a very strong antioxidant. In animal studies, curcumin exhibit activities against multiple types of cancer. Taken internally or used externally, turmeric acts as antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, and antiparasitic. The raw juice of turmeric acts as a blood purifier and used for hyperacidity and indigestion. And if we taken turmeric with boiled milk, it cures sore throat and cold, and it boosts our immune system. So it is very helpful during this pandemic. Turmeric also acts as a powerful medicine in jaundice, menstrual difficulties, toothache, and chest pain. So that's all about turmeric. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Subodh Negi and I have grown a plant which is commonly known as Western Himalayan Yew, and the botanical name of this plant is Taxus contorta, and this plant is locally known as Rakhal. The Rakhal is having wide range of medicinal properties. It is a source of Taxol which is having anti-cancerous properties, and it is used to cure breast cancer and ovarian cancers. It is also having antipyretic, anticonvulsant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antibacterial, antifungal properties. Moreover, it is also used to cure asthma, bronchitis, and tuberculosis. And Since the ancient time, the bark of Texas contorta is used to make a immune boosting tea by the people residing in Kullu, Kinnaur, Lahaul Spiti and Chamba regions of Himachal Pradesh. That's all about the Texas contorta. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nana Thakur and I am a student of MSc Botany second semester at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University Mandi, and on the occasion of the World Environment Day, I have planted a plant whose scientific name is Biophyllum pinnata, and I have grown this plant in a plant pot which is made up of a waste material, and after that I have decorated it with the colors and colors on its surface and colorful stones. Let's have a look on it. So next, moving on, local name. Its local name is Patharchat and its English name is Kalanchoe pinnata. Its botanical name, as I have explained, it is Bryophyllum pinnata, and its other common names are miracle leaf, air plant, or the good luck plant. So moving on to its chemical constituents. It is reported to have contained alkaloids, tretopenoids, flavonoids, steroids and the lipids. Its leaves also contain biotoxin A, B, C along with the two other cardiac glycosides, that is digoxin and dioxin, which has anti-tumor, anti-cancer and insecticidal activity. So it is rich in the medicinal properties. So first property is it is used to treat or prevent the kidney or the gallbladder stones. So it can be done by taking 2 fresh leaves of Biophyllum pinnata along with the black pepper on an empty stomach. And second one is its leaf juice that can be taken internally for about 2 weeks. Next one, wound healing activity. So the ethanol extract of Biophyllum pinnata that evaluates its wound healing activity. Next one is anti-ulcer activity. So the methanolic extract of leaves of Biophyllum pinnata that evaluates its anti-ulcer properties. Next is antidepressant activity. So जो Biophyllum pinnata that is supposed to be have sedative and central nervous system depressant action. So these effects are attributed partially by the leaf extract, demonstrating the ability to increase the level of neurotransmitters in the brain, like neurotransmitters like GABA, which stands for the gamma aminobutyric acid. Next one, toxic activity. So it prevents the cancer. It also destroys the bacteria. So it has disinfecting property and it has the ability to reduce the inflammation by acting on the body mechanism. So that's all about my plant. Thank you.
My name is Kanika. The medicinal plant I am showing is
Oxalis corniculata. It belongs to the family Oxalidaceae. Its common name is creeping wood sorrel, and in Himachal Pradesh it is known as malori. The waste material I have used is this plastic paint bucket. This plant is rich source of vitamin C, calcium and iron. It is anti-scorbutic. It has astringent properties, antifungal properties and antimicrobial properties. It is used in the treatment of influenza, fever, urinary tract infections, diarrhea and poisonous snake bites. It is used in the treatment of scurvy. The powdered form of plant is given to check vomiting and nausea. The infusion of plant is useful remedy for hookworms in children. The leaves extract cure skin rashes. It is also useful in healing wounds and cuts. The decoction of leaves is useful in boosting immunity. So it is very useful plant for this corona situation. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravina Thakur and today I am here to present my medicinal plant, that is Catharanthus roses, commonly known as Sadabahar, Sadapushp and Old Maid. Belongs to family Apoaceae. I grew this plant in a small paint bucket and paint it myself. This is best from waste. This is very useful plant. It is used to reduce the blood pressure and proved to be anti-diabetic. It is used as anti-cancer agent and also used in treatment of leukemia. This plant has antibacterial and antiviral properties. used for the treatment of stomach acne. The extract of the plant is used for the treatment of dysentery and diarrhea. It is also has the anti-inflammatory in nature. The medicine prepared from the plant is used for the treatment of Hodgkin lymphoma in children. The petals of the flower and seeds possessed antioxidant properties. It cures various skin diseases such as acne, eczema, dermatitis. Useful for the treatment of nose bleeding, gum bleeding, as well as the treatment of bleeding hemorrhoids. That's all. It is useful for the treatment of asthma, also useful for the treatment of mouth ulcer, and used for relieving the muscle pain. It is also useful for the treatment of malaria and stop bleeding from the wounds directly. It is used against the insect bites. It is diuretic in nature and increase urine. It is also cure depression of central nervous system, and it is directly applying for vast strings and heal wounds. If we talk about its side effect, then it can cause the kidney and nervous problem, and this plant is reported as causing poison in grazing animal. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Manisha Sharma. Now let me see you one medicinal plant whose scientific name is Withenia somnifera. I planted this plant in a waste pot, which is an empty box of oil. I decorated this box with paints which left over from my home and wrote some plant related caption on this box, like you can see, plant a tree, plant a new life, and make some leaf bearing branches in the back of this pot. Now if I'm talking about this plant, then the common name of this plant is the Indian ginseng, poisonous gooseberry, and winter cherry. This plant is also known as ashwagandha, which means the smell of horse, because its root has a strong horse-like odor, which refers to both its unique smell and ability to increase its strength. And if I'm talking about its uses, then its roots and berries are used to make the medicine. The compound name Vithaferin is derived from the roots and berries of ashwagandha, which is used to induce the apoptosis, which is the programmed death of cancer cells. This is also used to treat several types of cancer like breast cancer, lungs cancer, brain cancer, and ovarian cancer. This is used to relieve the stress. It increases the muscle mass and improve concentration power. It helps fight against the symptom of anxiety and depression. It boosts the brain function, including memory. It boosts the testosterone and increase fertility in man. It is used to treat wide variety of illness like asthma, diabetes, hypertension, stress, and arthritic disease. It reduces the blood sugar and cortisol level. It reduces the inflammation. It lowers the blood pressure and alter the immune system. It helps people sleep better. Ashwagandha has many benefits for women, including gentle hormone balancing and reproductive support. It also assists with improving mood and supporting cognitive functions. So that's all about this plant. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Manoj Kumar, MSc Botany, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University, Mandi. I have planted a plant. Its scientific name is Citrus lemon, belongs to family Rutaceae, and its common name is lemon and its local name is nimbu. I used plastic container for making flower pot and color it, and also use some sticker to decorate the container. Uses: lemon are high in vitamin C, fiber, various beneficial plant compounds. Lemon are good source of vitamin C, so support heart health. Lemon are used to make herbal tea that help us to weight loss. Lemon has citric acid, so it helps to prevent kidney stone, and it also reduces the risk of cancer. It also improves the digestive health and reduce and reduce blood sugar level. It also help in boost immunity and relieve tooth pain, relieve from respiratory problem, and it also help in blood purification. It balances the body pH.
Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka and today I am here to present my plant that is Aloe barbadensis. I have planted this plant in waste mug. Its common name is Aloe vera kuvar and Ghrit kumari. Belong to family Asphodelaceae. It is succulent shrubby evergreen perennial plant, grow wild in tropical, semi-tropical and arid climate. If I talk about its medicinal value, so it helps to boost the immune system, curing wounds, curing dermatitis, alleviating nausea, healing the cancerous growth, promotes hair growth, and help in delaying the aging process, help to detox, treat to diabetes and support weight loss. They are also help in lowering cholesterol and triglyceride, also help in oral hygiene, and they also help in reduce the symptom of acid reflux. Locally at home we use aloe vera juice for maintaining healthy digestive system, and aloe vera gel is directly applied on skin, so it lightens the skin and remove all dark spots. If I talk about its side effect, so its latex contain aloin, which is toxic in nature and cause allergic reaction. And slightly aloin is also act as a slow poison. Thanks.
Namaskar, my name is Neha Sharma and my medicinal plant is Tulsi. The waste product I have used for planting is dried bamboo stem, stone and small piece of rope. My medicinal plant is Tulsi. Scientific name is Ocimum tannuiflorum. Common name is Tulsi, holy basil, Krishna Tulsi, Tulashi, queen of plant, mother of medicinal plant due to its medicinal property. Uses of Tulsi. It is natural immunity boosting plant. In this pandemic time, the herbal tea or kada of Tulsi is increasing our immunity, cure fever, treat heart diseases, respiratory problem, reduce stress and blood pressure, anti-cancerous properties, act as insect repellent. Tulsi help in rejuvenation the skin with its detoxifying properties, antiviral and antifungal properties. Used for treating headache, eye problem and dental problem. So Tulsi is used as medicinal plant in ancient time in Ayurveda to treat many diseases. So thank you. Happy environment.
Hello everyone, my name is Garvita Thakur and this is mint plant. Its botanical name is Mentha villosa from family Lamiaceae. Its common name is mojito and is locally known as pudina or mint. It is a perennial herbaceous plant and the waste material I used for planting this plant is mushroom packets, and this plant have many medicinal properties which are very useful, which includes the first one is helping digestion. This plant have antioxidant property which help in keeping our stomach healthy and also prevent indigestion. The second one is oral care. Its leaves have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property which help in keeping our gums and teeth healthy, and also it help to mask bad breath. And the next one is it is helpful to prevent nausea and morning sickness. The next one is it is very good for asthma patients. It clears the air passage and make easy to breathe. It contains about 12% of vitamin A, which is very good for our eyes. It contains menthol, which is used in toothpaste, soaps or shampoos. And that's all about this plant and its medicinal properties. Thank you.
I have planted a medicinal plant named aloe vera, which is very familiar, and its botanical name is Aloe barbadensis. It belongs to family Liliaceae. I used a waste box as a pot by cutting the box from upper portion, and for decoration of this pot I have made flowers and leaves from the waste wrappers of kurkure and other products. Aloe vera has great medicinal value. It lowers blood sugar level. It may improve skin and prevent wrinkles. It reduces constipation. It helps to treat the canker sores. It reduces dental plaque. It improves digestive health. It has soothing moisturizing property due to which it is used to heal burns. Aloe vera juice is rich source of antioxidants. It lowers oxidative stress and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Aloe vera juice is a rich source of vitamin C. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. So myself Vishali Sani and today I am here to represent my medicinal plant. So its botanical name Ocimum tanniophorum and common name Tulsi belonging to Lamiaceae family, and I grow in the waste material that is prepared from a plastic bottle of cold drink. Tulsi is also known as the mother medicine of nature and queen of plant. If I talk about its medicinal uses, then Tulsi leaves are used to treat skin problems, dark circles and premature aging. Tulsi is used to cure fever, common cold and sore throat, headache, and Tulsi help in treating asthma, heart disease and kidney stone. It is also used to treat insect and snake bite. Women sometimes use basil before and after childbirth to promote blood circulation and also to start the flow of breast milk. That's all about